saw I was dragging some wire, some barbed wire. Ah, yes. That's not barbed wire. Grab the shank and the packer. Tight to the fence line. Well, I'm stuck. Doesn't like to turn in the mud. And it just sucked me in. It wasn't even that close. Turn out of here. This needs a little pull. To get straight. I can wiggle my way out of this one. Need the versatile. Oh, help's on the way. Knew this was gonna happen eventually. Pull on an angle. Something like that. I think it's wet. It's wet there, and I was turning right, and then it just sucked it right in there. See, it likes to stay straight up and down the field all day long. If it can stay straight, that's what it likes. Turning out of a wet spot, not so much. It's not gonna make like a big rut like wheel tractors do. Yeah, it's pretty spongy here. Lift it out. Yeah, it's like a swamp. Oh well. Fendt said, why don't you seed, there's another wet spot there, why don't you seed that first while I'm here with the Delta track, just in case something bad happens again. I said, that is a hell of an idea, let's do that. Like right through here, also kind of wet. But I can stay straight. I wasn't turning up against the road like the last place. Just a little spongy. I haven't seen this in a few years. Little rut. Not terrible. Maybe I'll stay away from that. Just had to turn at the road and didn't want to turn. I'd be tempted to try to get a little bit closer and use the sectional control. We got no sectional control, no mapping, no acre counter, a bunch of other things because our internal memory is full. I think it's like a glitch. So probably a system update might fix it. But this is our last field, so we're just limping it over the finish line here. And it's still seeding. Fans are on, meters are on. Go out and check, they're seeding the ground, so it's still working. It's just not working to its full potential. A little bit of mud still in there. Not much left, just from here to the road. Another canola. I'm gonna put some bags in. Put in one bag. I might need one more, but I don't want to use too much. This is it, the last pass of seeding. Empty the drill, put the fertilizer back in the bin, wash it off, and then in crop is next. Peas are getting big. The wheat's in the 2-leaf stage of the early stuff. So that's next. Canola just coming out of the ground. A little bit of time for the canola still. Oilers and Stars game 3 tonight. By the time you see this, she'll be long over. Maybe it'll be the Cup Finals. I'm not sure when this will be live online. Now let's empty this rig out and start planning for next year. Took us 1 month to seed. Today is May 27th. Started those peas April 27th. Usually takes us a solid 3 weeks to seed, but we had some rain delays in there, so it took us a little bit longer.